Have you got minor damage to your car? A scuffed bumper, small scratch or damaged alloy wheels? Revive provide mobile bodywork repairs at a fraction of what you'd pay at a garage. Repairs are arranged at a time and place that's convenient to you and usually take around 2 to 3 hours, so you'll be back in your car in no time at all. People trust us to repair their cars, safe in the knowledge that we have the largest network of accredited technicians in the UK. To get your car looking like new again, all you need to do is request a quote and include images of the damage. Then your local Revive technician will be in touch to arrange your free, no obligation quote. Our technicians carry out repairs for leading manufacturers. And we ensure we offer all of our customers convenience, technical excellence and outstanding customer service.